ritual of taking the bikes down to the lobby. We're all set?
I think so.
It's pretty cool outside.
Well, they won't need all the water that I have.
Last time we were in Kentucky, it was baking hot, and this time it's pretty cool. It's not like 17 degrees right now. Yikes. All right, it's starting to feel real. We're heading out. So the sun's finally come out. We got our rain jackets off, and let's hope it stays dry. Kentucky. This dry laid stone wall looks like Mallorca, but really nothing else does. What's that? No, yeah. Look at that.
Beautiful.
Here we go. Rest stop number 2. So many tandems on these rides. It's going.
Good.
Small town America. Pretty little town. I remember this. Last time we did this, we were on a bigger loop and absolutely exhausted by the time we got here. This time, not so much. Millersburg, seen better times. So we've ridden about 85 kilometers and something like 20 more to go. Still enjoying the Kentucky scenery. So many farms we passed. Where have we gone?
97 kilometers.
How far do you think we have to go?
20 max?
Yeah, I think it won't be much more than 10, but you never know. This is the last rest stop, so then we'll go see if they have the pickle juice here. Find out what that's all about. Wow, this is quite the spread, this farm here. So what do you think? What's the pickle juice about?
I don't know. You're welcome. I have a question. What's the advantage of pickle juice? Salt.
No cramp.
Yeah, the vinegar and the salt.
It's not just because it tastes so delicious to drink pickle juice when you're riding a bike?
It's not bad.
Not bad.
So compared to like orange juice or something, it's way yummier.
It's going to make the difference. It's going to make a difference next 8
I
miles.
have to get back.
That's right.
It's like a cramper.
All right. Well, you've convinced me.
You ever played sports?
Yeah?
They'll do it. They do it.
All right. You know, in Canada, we don't.
We do.
I think it's a Kentucky thing.
No, it's not a Kentucky thing. No.
Okay.
Texas does it for athletic teams.
Ice cream?
So where it's hot.
Yeah, a lot of sports places will sell pickle juice in a pre-bottle.
Thank you.
Wow.
Oh my god.
They don't just sometimes throw out the pickles and drink the juice?
Yes.
Oh my gosh. A couple hours later, here we are. Day 3, 42 kilometers into our Sunday ride. Only doing 60 kilometers today.
It'll be 66 probably to the hotel.
Right. This area is cleverly called the zombie zone. Picture of zombies there.
Go find
And,
the zombie greeter.
Yeah, there's a zombie greeter here somewhere, but the funny thing is, most people are kind of walking like a zombie, so it's hard to pick her out.
Her lipstick was on funny. That was my first clue.
Enough of that pickle juice. Let's have some chocolate milk.